Today's video is about desktop yoga. Namaste and welcome to our channel. My name is Shiny Narang and I'm your yoga guide. Today's video is about desktop yoga. So this is catering to working professionals who have long sitting hours. If you're sitting on your desk, even if you're a freelancer, entrepreneur, you will find this very beneficial because long sitting hours make our body very stiff and tight, which, gives us pain in the back and in the neck. So we have cervical and other issues cropping up because of that. To mitigate that and to counter that, we will do a simple practice on the chair. हम चेयर पे बैठे बैठे ही कुछ सिंपल पॉस्चर, सिंपल स्ट्रेचेस, सिंपल मूवमेंट्स करेंगे जो आपको बहुत आराम देंगे फॉर योर सर्वाइकल, फॉर योर बैक पेन, फॉर योर sciatica. So watch this video till the end and let's start with the practice. So keeping the feet parallel on the ground, knees and feet are hip distance apart, we will sit in the middle of the chair. So we're not leaning back, we're not pushing the hip back, not like this. Somewhere in the middle. So you are centered, at the same time relaxed. Keep the spine straight as much as possible. Hands on the knees. This is a practice along session. तो अगर आप इसे मेरे साथ इस समय करना चाहते हैं तो अभी भी कर सकते हैं. So you gently start by observing our breath. Close your eyes. आंखें बंद रखते हुए सारा ध्यान अपनी सांस पे ले आए. Inhale, exhale. Just connecting with your breath. Slowly inhale. Slowly exhale. धीरे से सांस भरेंगे, धीरे से छोड़ेंगे. Inhale little more than your capacity. थोड़ा ज़्यादा अपनी क्षमता से थोड़ा ज़्यादा सांस भरें. And take more time to exhale. Beautiful. Gently blink your eyes and open them. Lovely. Let's begin with the movements. Firstly, we will do movements for the neck. सबसे पहले हम neck के लिए movement करेंगे. With me, do it right and left. Just turning the neck to the side. Look at the side wall. Once to the right, then to the left. Right and left. Look right and left. One last time. Right and left. Bring the neck in center. Now we will look up and down. People who have cervical issues, don't bring the chin down. Keep the chin parallel to the ground. So you take the head up and bring it in the center. People who don't have cervical issues, you can bring the chin down all the way. अगर आपको cervical issues नहीं है तो आप पूरी तरह chin को नीचे ले आएंगे. So we'll do this for 5 times. Let's go together. Inhale up. Exhale down or parallel. सांस भरते हुए ऊपर. सांस छोड़ते हुए नीचे. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale. Exhale. Last time. Inhale. And exhale. Coming back to center. Now we will do some more work for the cervical patients or people who are suffering with neck pain. So you release the hands down. We'll just lift the shoulders up, squeeze the back of the neck and look up. like this. So your chin is pointing up to the ceiling and you're raising your shoulders high and stay in this position. जब आप इस position में रुकेंगे तो सांस को नहीं रोकना है. You don't have to hold the breath, keep breathing. So do it with me. Relax the arms down. Lift the shoulders up, look up. Chin going to the ceiling. And hold the posture. Don't hold the breath. Keep breathing. Inhale. Exhale. Breathe in. Keep lifting the shoulders up. Breathe out. Inhale. Exhale. And slowly release the shoulders. Look forward. See how much better it feels. The shoulders feel light. The neck feels more relaxed. We'll move forward. Place your fingertips on the shoulders. We will make big circles with the elbows. This is for your shoulders. If you have frozen shoulders, tight shoulders, this is very effective. So bring the elbows close to each other. Inhale, lift. Push the elbows back and bring them down. This is a big circle. We will do 5 clockwise, 5 anti-clockwise. Let's begin. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale. Exhale. Breathe in, lift up. Breathe out, push the elbows down. Inhale. Exhale. One more time. Inhale. And exhale. We'll reverse the direction going anti-clockwise. Lift the elbows up from the back. Raise them high. Join them in the front and bring them down. Lovely. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale. Exhale. Push the shoulders, push the elbows, lift them up. Join them in the front. One last time. Inhale. Join. Exhale. Relax. Release the arms. Now we'll take left arm in the front, take it to the right side. So I'm stretching the arm to the front and then taking to the right. Use the right hand to pull this arm closer to you. You will feel a nice stretch in your shoulder, in your biceps, and your triceps. We want to release the shoulder. That's why we're doing this. Feeling the stretch. Breathe in and breathe out. Inhale, exhale. Release. Now raise the left arm parallel to the ground. Take it to the left side. You go away from the front. Use your left hand to bring this arm closer to you and feel the stretch in the shoulder. Don't slouch. Lift up. Chest open. Breathe in. Breathe out. Your shoulders are going to thank you. आपके shoulders बहुत released, relaxed feel करेंगे. Slowly you can release. See how easy it is. For the shoulders and neck, the pain is gone, the tightness is gone, the stiffness is gone. It's so amazing to move this way. You can just move the shoulders up and down, back and forward. Feel that relaxation. Lovely. Now we will work with the spine. So interlock your fingers with me. Inhale, raise the arms up. सांस भरते हुए ऊपर लेके जाएंगे हाथों को. Stretch your spine upwards. Raise it higher. And slowly bend to the right. Slowly bend to the left. Inhale in the center. Exhale as you bend a little bit. Feeling the side stretch. Inhale. Exhale. Feeling the stretch in the spine. Gently come back to center. Release the arms. Lovely. Now we will take the right hand and place it on the left side of the chair, or maybe you can hold the armrest or left of your knee. So this is my left knee, right hand going outside the left knee. Use the free hand, take the support of the back of the chair and twist, look back. So I'm showing you from the side so you get a better idea. I'm not leaning back, otherwise you won't be getting space to hold your chair back. I'm sitting upright and twisting to feel that body opening. So right hand outside the left knee. Just breathe in and breathe out here. You can also hold the arm of the chair if you have a armed chair. The idea is to twist the spine, lift up the chest, look back. सांस भरते हुए धीरे से और ट्विस्ट करेंगे and relax the breath, release. Same thing on the other side. Now we will place the left hand outside the right knee and use the free hand to support and twist, look back. Breathe in, breathe out. If you have back pain, you must be doing this every single day. अगर आपकी स्पाइन स्टिफ है, बैक में पेन है, ये रोज ज़रूर करें. Just takes 5 minutes. Inhale, exhale. Slowly release the spine. Beautiful. Now we will stretch the legs forward. Keep the knees bent. Feet are in such a way that the heels stay on the ground. Toes are lifting up, like you can see. Toes ऊपर हैं, heels ज़मीन पर हैं. And we will hold the chair and fold forward. Rest the chest on the thighs and relax the arms. Feel the stretch in the lower back. Your sacrum area, lower back, lumbar region is all getting stretched. This will release all the tension from the lower back. You can place your fingertips on the ground or rest your hands on the ankles, on your shin bone, wherever you feel comfortable. Just relax the body and surrender the body. Breathe in, breathe out. Inhale, exhale. Slowly place your hands on the knees. Inhale, come up. We'll do one last posture for this sciatica nerve. Long sitting hours actually give us a lot of pain in the hips also. So to do this, we will lift one leg off the ground, place the ankle of one leg on the knee of the opposite leg. So if I to show you from the front, observe it once. So I'm starting with the left first, left ankle on the right knee. Push this knee down gently. You will feel a nice stretch in the outer hip and thigh muscle. From here we lift the arms up. With me, do this. Fold forward. Go forward, 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 forward. Relax the hands. Switch off the neck. हाथों को ढीला छोड़कर, नेक को ढीला छोड़कर, आपको लोअर बैक में और आउटर हिप और थाई मसल्स में जो फील हो रहा है, स्ट्रेच फील हो रहा है, उसको एक्सपीरियंस करेंगे. जस्ट ब्रीदिंग इन एंड आउट. इनहेल, एक्सेल. Relax the body. Lengthen your spine. Take the head forward and down. You'll be able to feel a deeper stretch. Inhale, raise the arms. हाथों को सामने से ऊपर लेके आते हुए. We will change to the other side. Same thing. Ankle of one leg resting on the thigh of the opposite leg, and push the knee down slightly. Raise the arms up high, lift the body up, and as you exhale, go forward and down. Surrender your body. Feel the stretch in the outer hip. Switch off the back, neck, arms. Completely surrender. Breathe in and breathe out. Relax the mind. Relax the breath. Extend the arms in the front. हाथों को आगे से ऊपर ले जाते हुए raising the arms. Lift up and gently exhale and relax. You can bring the leg down. वापस sitting position में बैठेंगे. We will finish this session with just few rounds of Bhramari pranayam. Bhramari is a pranayam which is called humming bee. So for this pranayam you inhale from the nose and exhale in a humming sound. आप नाक से सांस भरेंगे और सांस छोड़ते हुए भंवरे की गुंजन की तरह ऐसी आवाज आएगी. जितना गहरा लंबा कर सके उतना अच्छा. The longer, the deeper it is, the better it is. We will do few rounds of this. To bring our attention inwards, we will use our fingers and thumb to close the ears and the eyes. So your fingers go on the eyes, your thumb cover the ears. Close the ears. We will do 4 to 5 rounds of this. Inhale from the nose, exhale in a humming sound from the nose. Let's begin with me. Go for it. Whenever you feel this is enough, you can bring the hands down. जब आपको लगे कि आप एकदम रिलैक्स हो गए हैं, हाथों को नीचे ले आएं. Rest your hands on the thighs, palms facing upwards. Observe your breath. You can stay in this posture for a few more breaths if you have time. If you need to carry on with the day, then gently bring the palms together, rub your palms. धीरे से हाथों को मलेंगे. Cover the eyes. Feel the warmth in the eyes. Blink your eyes. आँखों को ढकेंगे, उसको महसूस करेंगे, उस गर्माहट को. धीरे से पलकों को झपकाएंगे and slowly look at your palms. Thank you so much. I hope you found this video useful. अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो, प्लीज़ इसको रेगुलरली प्रैक्टिस कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए सबसे. जिन लोगों को भी आप जानते हैं जिनको सारी इश्यूज़ हैं, जिनकी लॉन्ग सिटिंग आवर्स हैं, सबको बताइए कि सिंपल प्रैक्टिस उनके लिए कितनी इफ़ेक्टिव, कितनी रिलैक्सिंग हो सकती है. सो आई होप यू विल स्टे कनेक्टेड विद अस फॉर मोर. विद दिस वी विल सी यू नेक्स्ट टाइम. नमस्ते.